Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to italicize your texts in character.ai. Now let's begin. Initially, on any browser of your choice, simply go to character.ai and hit on enter right now. If you have not logged in, do log in right now. Now among all the characters here, you can chat with anyone. Now normally our message will be something like this. It's normal, it's planned. Now we want to italicize it. Simply follow the steps. Simply type this character, that is asterisk, and again your letters, your words, whatever, and again the same character asterisk. Now simply hit on enter. As you can see, our text has been italicized. Let's try it once more. And there you have it guys. That's how you italicize your text in character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.